Hey there, so I love this media room. This is at the end of the property and it has a front projection for movies, a game room. You could call it the Marvel room, but my husband was pointing out that this is also DC. So with a mural of Batman and Gotham City, and you've got Hulk, all kinds of stuff. But it says there's a little dedication to Stan Lee, which I thought was really fun, with primary colors. But there's an extra added bonus room I want to show you. So come on up the stairs.
By the way, I want to point out that there's the ticket counter where Batman's parents died.
Well, we have to bring that up. Okay. So come on by. Yeah, that's right, with the pearls. So as you come on up and you open this door at the top, look at this. So this is a finished room. It's not permitted, but it is well done, sheetrocked. It's kind of like the secret passage, so it's kind of fun. Look at all the space. It's just amazing. Oh my gosh. And a network. Somebody in tech loves this place. High ceiling, it's well done. What would you do with this room?
I think that this would, difficult to say, like I wouldn't want to make it into too much of a workshop because I'm imagining with being on the top floor that this would probably attract a lot of heat.
Yeah.
Although this is well appointed with sprinkler systems and everything.
Really
so you
nice.
Could do whatever you want up here.
Yeah,
but
we have how many sprinklers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sprinkler systems. Oh, 7, 8 up on the top. So well appointed is right. And then here's another section here that's sort of walled off with a sprinkler system in here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think this may be the studio.
The studio, the big studio. Yeah. So this could be your office or studio. Well done.
They clearly had something in mind that they wanted to do with it, but it's left at just the right moment because you can now do with it whatever you want. If you wanted to create a workshop, it can be there, a nice office. You want to have a grandmother room, or actually this would probably be difficult with the stairs, but yeah, I mean, you could do all kinds of stuff up here.
How easy would it be to put Tesla chargers down below in the garage?
Oh, that would be absolutely simple because it's got 2 electrical panels in the house. One of them is directly. That's not the electric. That's the phone. And that's like data up there.
Okay.
So they clearly have the house run with like at least Cat 5, maybe Cat 6 cabling. I can't tell by.
It's fantastic, and being so close to Los Gatos downtown. It's a
and
no-brainer.
And I would love to kind of spend some time just sort of walking through this because you got 1, 2, 3, 4 Wi-Fi access points. And they're all on top of each other, so I'm not sure what they were trying to do there, but they've got no endless.
Maybe they're into networking. Yeah. This is a really nice tall hallway that is vaulted.
Yeah.
Coming back into reality. It's pretty nice.